Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Now today I actually ended up clearing up the previous charts and it's time for me to talk about a particular pattern for Dogecoin that I do see at. I didn't actually talk about this before, but I do see the weekly time frame being broken out. So you do have a very clear breakout. So one touch here, one resistance, second one, third one went down, fourth one here went down, fifth one there went down, sixth one here went down. A very clear bullish breakout. But you actually didn't backtest this line. You really need to backtest that trend line, which you haven't really done. So my take about this one is that we could be seeing for a massive ABC correction. I do have a technical target for you nearly 0.05 and 0.049, nearly these levels right here. I'm just going to drop a horizontal line right over here. Okay, so this is a zone that I'm expecting, and as far as I'm concerned, you still have chances to drop down there. And when you drop down here, that actually could mean one thing, a back test of this trend line, and you can see it could even be 4699, and then from here bounce off, bottom out, and then start to move a little bit to the higher. So one thing is very clear to me, that the downtrend has been broken out. Actually, the downtrend has been broken out. Or if you do something stupid and come into the range of that wick there like this, then that's a very different scenario. That's a very different kind of range bound. But for this trend line down here, you actually broke it out, and it's actually fair to say that it could be looking to come down. Now that's the first thing. The second thing is we saw this two candle, and these are known as tweezer tops right there. So I want to actually go into Google again, and let's write in tweezer tops, and I'm gonna show you that tweezer top right there. This is how they look like. So when you have that green and the red candle, those are known as tweezer tops. I just want to show you a little bit of more examples. And you have the top here again, same height, like the red and the green, the green or the red. So these are known as tweezer tops. This is the one that is forming up right over there. So that's a very clear tweezer top on the weekly time frame, and you can see that's almost like the first one you're looking right over here with the same highs. And you could have this one right over there. They actually look a little bit, but to me Doge looks like more like a little bit like this one actually. Okay, so yeah, however it has a little bit of different shapes, and they look quite different, but this still qualifies to be your tweezer top, because one is being red and the next one is being one being green and the next one being red. So you don't want to go, if you do go above 0.11164 and close above 0.11164, then you have good chances of actually continuing to move to the upside. But to me personally, this is my take, that you have the tweezer top, you have the broken trend line that you still need to retest. So there are good chances that you're looking for this being the A correction, the B to the upside, and the C is the biggest correction of them all. So you're looking for an ABC correction, you have a tweezer top, and that's my personal take about this one. So that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.